find out. But which is better at crashing through doors, Phil or Mr. Blobby? There's only one way to find out. No, Blobby! No! I like Chris, man. And I like Mr. Broccoli Carrot Face. But which is better? Who is the better leader? Looking Bear or Napoleon? Which is better for calendars, babies or cats? There's only one way to find out. Fight! Mr. Bunny Rabbit, get in there. Which is more frightening, the Pat Butcher Scorpion Hybrid Scorpipat or the Cushion Monster on Haunted Homes? Spandau Ballet or Duran Duran? Old-fashioned dinosaur or a blue tip? Come on, Blackman, give me some! No, Russell, get off! Russell! See you after the break. I just hope no one's got in for the kitchen.
You!
Leave it! Here, doesn't anyone open a door before walking through it these days?
You did what? I want someone who can actually do something.
But which is better at crashing through doors, Phil or Mr. Blobby? There's only one way to find out. See you after the break. No, Blobby! Bear Grylls had all sorts of little useful tips. This week he showed us how to survive in the middle of the French Alps, and specifically how to get out of an ice hole.
Go! Okay, first thing I've got to do is try and get
Out.
some semblance of control back again and fight this sense of shock. And
Get out.
the way I do this is to try and control my breathing and keep calm.
And just get out.
I can feel already my body temperature getting really low. And my legs are going pretty numb and it's time to be getting out of here.
At last.
The final thing I've got to remember is to go out this way.
Just get out of the hole! He does finally manage to make it out, but of course there's a special way to do it. You don't just flap about like a seal. Once he's out, The question is, how do you dry yourself off in the middle of the freezing cold Alps without a towel?
Okay, now I've just got to get dry, but obviously I've just got no towel. What I can do though is use some of this snow, and even though it looks completely crazy, it's a really good way just to absorb some of the moisture off my body, and then just try and get some black.
Snow, of course! Nature's towel. On the restaurant this week, someone raised the tricky question of vegetarians.
You always get a goat's cheese tart if you're a vegetarian, don't you? It's a bit depressing. A pudding, some nice creamy spinach, just a little bit, it's kind of a bit rich, a bit naughty. Vegetarians are naughty as well. I know some very naughty vegetarians, so...
Yeah, like Hitler. Yeah. He was naughty. What a naughty vegetarian he was. Yeah. Heather Mills, she was a naughty vegetarian, throwing all that water over that nice lady lawyer. But which is the naughtiest vegetarian? Heather Mills or Hitler? There's only one way to find out. Fuck!